Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 1st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. I'm going to show you a trade that I just closed out, and it's basically a dollar trade. So I really was using the US dollar index chart for this trade, and I did it via EUO call options. So if you're not familiar with the EUO, what it is an ultra short ProShares ultra short euro. So if the euro goes down against the dollar, this will go up. And you can see how this has been starting to move higher. Right now, trading at 21.36. I got in this trade originally on January 25th. So you can see all the way back here. Basically picked the low in the dollar. And we've been trying to ride this thing out. That's why sometimes when you trade options, you do have to allow yourself to have a lot of time on the clock. And the reason why I actually closed this trade out today is just because it was a May options expiration. So the third Friday of May, this trade will expire. So I wanted to close it out into today's pop. And if you take a look at the US dollar index, I have a line here at 92.50 because that's exactly where I expect the dollar to go. But I got involved in that EUO trade right here on the 25th, and it's been a choppy ride. But ultimately, if you know the In the Money Stocks methodology pattern, this is one of the most powerful patterns in the business. And you can see the big move this has had from 89 all the way up to 92.16. Now, if you look at the EUO, you'll see the same exact setup here. EUO going from basically just above 20 all the way up to $21.38. So again, it's just a mimic of the dollar chart, and that's exactly what I was looking to do. So I was able to close out the first half position a while back, and I believe we closed out the first half on February 7th for a pretty decent gain of around 60%. But today, I was able to close out the second half for 84%. And all in all, that's a 72% gain in just a couple of months. And I think traders would be satisfied and happy with that kind of a gain. But I do actually expect this still to go higher. Like I said, the dollar chart, just off this incredible pattern that we have here, should get up to 92.50. That's where the momentum should take you. And again, if you've been an In the Money Stocks member, if you've been a Research Center member or an options member, you know exactly what I've been looking at for this trade. So, so far, a pretty good move. I am still holding the UUP. This is I'm still looking for more out of this, at least to the 24.60 level is what I would expect, if not even higher than that. So again, still have some skin in the game here, but I was able to close out that option due to the expiration. And again, I just want to point out how it's so important for you to trade options and give yourself some time on the clock if these things do not play out in your anticipated time frame. So again, we knew that was going to take a little bit of time, but played out nicely, and again to the tune of 84% on the second half position. And once again, if you guys want to come over and trade alongside of us, we're having a sensational 2018. Check it out. Come on over to In the Money Stocks. We have the Research Center, we have the options alerts, and we also have the intraday stock chat room where you can trade right alongside of us each and every day live in the market. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.